The people you loved walked away. The ones who said, "I'll always be here for you," became strangers. At first, you blame them. Then, after it happens again and again, you begin to wonder, is something wrong with me? That's one of the most painful questions anyone can ask. But before you convince yourself that you're not good enough, you need to understand one important truth. People don't always leave because you're unworthy. Sometimes they leave because of misunderstandings. Sometimes they leave because life changes. And sometimes, without realizing it, our own habits push people away. If you've ever felt abandoned, forgotten, or replaced, this video is for you. We're going to explore 10 powerful reasons why everyone seems to leave you. Not to make you feel guilty, but to help you understand yourself, build stronger relationships, and become the kind of person others naturally want to keep in their lives. The final reason might completely change the way you look at the people who have walked away from you. 1. You expect too much too soon. One of the biggest mistakes people make is expecting deep loyalty from someone they have only known for a short time. Real trust isn't built in a day. It grows through shared experiences, honesty, and consistency. When expectations rise faster than the relationship itself, disappointment becomes almost inevitable. Give people time to earn your trust, and allow yourself time to earn theirs. 2. You don't communicate honestly. Many relationships don't end because of arguments. They end because of silence. People often assume others should automatically understand their feelings, but no one can read minds. If something is bothering you, express it respectfully. Honest communication prevents small misunderstandings from becoming permanent distance. 3. You don't value yourself. When you don't believe you're enough, you may constantly seek reassurance from others. You might ignore your own needs, accept poor treatment, or depend on someone else to make you feel worthy. Healthy relationships begin with self-respect. The more you value yourself, the less you'll tolerate relationships that don't value you. 4. You hold on to the past. Past betrayals and heartbreak can make you suspicious of everyone who enters your life. You may expect people to hurt you before they've even had the chance to prove themselves. While it's wise to learn from experience, carrying yesterday's pain into today's relationships can push away people who genuinely care. 5. You ignore other people's feelings. Relationships are built on mutual understanding. If every conversation revolves around your problems, your opinions, or your needs, others may eventually feel invisible. Listening carefully, showing empathy, and appreciating someone else's emotions creates stronger and more meaningful connections. 6. You fear being alone. The fear of losing someone can sometimes become the very reason they leave. Constant texting, needing endless reassurance, or becoming overly dependent can make a relationship feel overwhelming. Learning to enjoy your own company creates confidence, and confidence often attracts healthy relationships. 7. You stop growing. People naturally change over time. If you refuse to learn, improve, or challenge yourself, relationships can become stagnant. Personal growth doesn't just improve your own life. It inspires the people around you. Continue developing your character, skills, and mindset, and you'll build stronger connections. 8. You refuse to forgive. Holding on to every mistake creates walls between people. Forgiveness doesn't mean accepting harmful behavior or forgetting what happened. It means choosing not to let anger control your future. Letting go of resentment creates room for peace, healing, and healthier relationships. 9. You keep choosing the wrong people. Sometimes the problem isn't that everyone leaves. It's that you repeatedly invest your energy in people who were never capable of giving you the relationship you deserved. Learn to recognize red flags early. Choose people who respect your boundaries, keep their promises, and genuinely care about your well-being. 10. Not everyone is meant to stay. Perhaps the hardest lesson is accepting that some people are only part of your journey, not your destination. Friends move away. Relationships end. Priorities change. That doesn't always mean you failed. Sometimes people leave simply because life takes them in different directions. Instead of chasing those who walk away, appreciate what they taught you and keep moving forward. People leaving your life doesn't always define your worth. Sometimes it's a lesson, sometimes it's protection, and sometimes it's simply part of growing. Focus on becoming the kind of person who lives with confidence, kindness, honesty, and self-respect. The right people won't stay because you begged them to. They'll stay because they genuinely want to be part of your life.